What's up, guys? We're back. Another Animal Company video. I haven't done these in a long time. Come on, guys. That's just a little glitch. And we do have my trusty backpack. Now,
hell no!
we have a lot of pads.
Everybody target black.
Here we just type in a lot of random letters. And is anybody in this code? No. So yeah, we're just gonna go to space. So first, we need a ghetto. Yes. We need our rockets. Rocket. This is how you get the boombox. Okay. So yeah. I feel like a new man. Okay. And then you just have to get on something. Like you have to get on one of the cars. Then I think it's somewhere actually else. Oh, yeah, here it is. Nope. It's gonna take forever. I don't think, since I have it, I don't think they're gonna let me get it again. So yeah, we can put in my storage. Yeah. Is it in here? No. So yeah. The Ben already came. Anyways. Don't feel me now. Oh yeah! Woo! Man, I'm a police officer. What you mean? We ain't in the right place. Okay. No. Yeah. This is what we were trying to look for. That's okay. Because right now, we just have to get these gravity things. Okay. Let's shoot. Okay. No. I just gonna sell all these. Okay. So, yeah. Yo, that's not good enough. This time, do this here, and also, I wanna see some stuff. Some more headpads. Yeah, this is all I have right now. Smile. Okay. So yeah, I will be make content about World Tech and animal companies. So. Okay. Hey, dude. It took me for effort to get enough. Okay. And I had to go search around. I don't even have it, but I have. Well, that's all I'm gonna show you. For that. So yeah, I'm gonna Google it. No, my lord. Sorry, guys.
I'm trying to buy someone. Jeez, I'm trying to buy.
Good. Here. Okay. Well, now I want to go up here. Actually, yeah, we do need the heart gun. So, that in there. Yeah, so we're just gonna collect as much as we can. Okay. Oh! Okay. Actually, okay. So we have 2 hoverpads. I mean, as I could show you, hoverpads right there. It took me forever. Well, that's it for a good video. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. So yeah. Hope you guys like this video. So yeah.